Embarking on a wealth-building journey with just $100 may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible in 2025. First, consider the transformative power of fractional investing. This approach allows beginners to own slices of expensive stocks and ETFs, breaking down financial barriers and enabling you to invest in brands you believe in without needing a hefty sum. Picture yourself owning a piece of a tech giant or a thriving company, all starting from a modest investment. Next, explore the world of robo-advisors. These automated platforms tailor your investment strategy based on your financial goals and risk tolerance, making investing more accessible to novices. Imagine setting goals for retirement or a dream vacation and letting technology take the reins. Robo-advisors employ algorithms to create and manage a diversified portfolio, ensuring your investments are aligned with your aspirations without time-consuming research. Don't overlook the potential of high-yield savings accounts as a stepping stone to building wealth. Visualize your money working for you, growing steadily while you maintain liquidity. Such accounts offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional savings options, paving the way for accumulating your first $1,000, which can then be reinvested into higher-risk assets. This conservative approach allows for safety while laying the groundwork for financial growth. Furthermore, consider investing in a low-cost index fund or exchange-traded fund, ETF, which can provide you with broad market exposure. Envision a diverse portfolio that mirrors the performance of a broad market index, capturing potential growth from various sectors. This strategy significantly reduces risks associated with single stock purchases and requires less market knowledge, making it approachable for beginners. Lastly, educate yourself on personal finance through books, online courses, or podcasts. Picture yourself evolving into a confident investor as you acquire knowledge about market trends, risk management, and investment strategies. Fun financial education contributes to long-term success, empowering you to make calculated decisions with your investments. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Starting small with $100 can lead to significant achievements over time. In summary, investing is not just for the wealthy. It's an opportunity for anyone willing to learn and take action. By leveraging fractional investing, robo-advisors, high-yield savings accounts, index funds, and financial education, you're setting the stage for financial success. It's time to harness the potential of your $100 and embark on a wealth-building journey in 2025.